Okay everyone, so today we will learn subtraction with regrouping. So the topic is subtraction with regrouping. This topic is given in your book on page number 24. Okay, so I am going to explain you how you can subtract by regrouping the digits. So here we have a question. The first question, 40 minus 8. Okay, it's 40 minus 8. This place is called ones place and this place is called tens place. I hope you know that. Now let us see how we subtract. You know that here we have 0 ones and 4 tens, and below we have 8 ones and nothing in tens place. Okay, so let us start subtracting. First we have to subtract 8 from 0 ones. We have to subtract 8 ones from 0 ones, which is not possible, as you know that 8 is bigger than 0. So this 0 will have to take something from this tens place. Means this 0 will borrow 1 tens from this tens place, because we have 4 here. So this 4 will give 1 tens. This 4 tens will give 1 tens to this 0. So this 0 will become 1 0. Okay, and this 4 will become 3. It means that right now we had 0 ones here. This is ones place, 0 ones here, but 0 ones wanted some value so that it can decrease or it can subtract something from it. If it can subtract 8 from it, so it has taken 1 tens from this side, so it has become 10, and this one has given this to this one, so this has become 3. Now we subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2, and this 3 will come down because there is nothing in this tens place, so the answer will be 32. Okay, let us take another example from your book only. The second example I have taken is here, 48 minus 19. This is ones place and this is tens place. Here we have 8 ones, 4 tens, 9 ones, 1 10. We have to subtract 9 ones from 8 ones. Okay, we have to subtract 9 ones from 8 ones. So the up one is smaller and the down one is bigger, so it cannot be subtracted. So the same story again, this will take 1 tens from here, so it will become 18, and this has given this to this, so it will become 3. So now we will subtract. 18 minus 9 will become 9, and this 3 minus 1 will become 2. Okay,